Hey everyone, we are back with another amazing list of 13 coolest gadgets that you should see. So let's check it out. There are numerous GPS trackers available in the market, but only a few of them work without self-service. Fortunately, GoFindMe is a real-time GPS tracker that works without cell service. This device uses built-in GPS and long-range radio technology, allowing you to stay connected even if your phone fails. One of the most significant challenges of outdoor activities is the communication and safety issues in remote areas. However, GoFindMe can be a great assistant in such situations by enabling you to easily split and group up, communicate effectively, and explore safely. Meet the LEFEET P1, the most incredible underwater scooter ever. It's the perfect way to explore the ocean with minimal effort. This bad boy is super light, only weighing 5 pounds, but can take you through the water like a rocket at up to 2.3 meters per second or 5.1 miles per hour. Combining advanced technology with user-friendly features, this powerful and sleek device offers an exciting and effortless way to explore the ocean's depths. And the best part? Thanks to its quick-release structure, batteries and accessories can be quickly assembled without any tools. This enclosure comes with a built-in fan that rotates at a speed of 11,000 RPM. It is powered by an active heat dissipation system that helps to maintain a suitable working temperature for the SSD. This ensures stable performance even for massive projects. It provides safe storage and blazing fast transfer speeds of up to 1 GB per second. Additionally, it comes with an IP54 rating, which makes it waterproof and dustproof. This means that you can shoot or work outdoors without worrying about your data getting damaged. This multi-tool is an all-in-one solution that packs various functions and features, both for everyday use and emergencies. Made of sturdy aluminum and titanium, it includes a laser measure, wrenches, box cutter, rope cutter, bottle opener, fire starter, screwdriver, seatbelt cutter, a flashlight, and more. With this tool, you can be prepared for anything that comes your way. It's not bulky, so you can bring it with you anywhere you go. Looking for a cool camera accessory to take your filming to the next level? Check out ZPIN 360. Thanks to a super strong elastic rope, this thing can spin a full 360 degrees, so you can capture all your extreme adventures in style. It's made to be super aerodynamic, so you can use it at a maximum circumference of either 1.5 meters or 3 meters. Plus, it's compatible with all kinds of action cameras, like GoPro 5 to 11, DJI Action, and Xiaomi, as well as other brands that can shoot at 240 frames per second. So whether you're a pro filmmaker or just a thrill seeker, this accessory is sure to shake up your filming techniques and help you get those epic shots you've always wanted. In a world where heat waves are becoming more frequent and intense, Funsnap has emerged as a game-changing invention. It is an innovative neck fan that offers a unique combination of comfort and convenience, keeping you cool and revitalized all day long. Funsnap's stretchable air outlet is a standout feature. It allows you to adjust the angle of the fan's air outlet up to 60 degrees. This ensures complete coverage of cool air without any dead angles, providing a refreshing breeze from any direction. With its use of renewable and natural materials, this air purifier is making waves in the market as a sustainable and effective way to filter the air in your home or office environment. But what sets Briiv Pro apart from other air purifiers on the market? For starters, its AI-powered sensors enable effective air monitoring, ensuring that you're always breathing clean and safe air as nature intended. In fact, in just 21 minutes, Briiv Pro can clean a 4x4 meter space, making it an efficient option for smaller areas. And for larger spaces, multiple units can be linked together for comprehensive air purification. Maintenance is easy, with natural filters that last for a year and a removable main filter that lasts for 3 months. Plus, for those who enjoy a personalized touch, essential oils can be added to the purified air for a truly unique experience. Introducing KeyX, a smart car key with a unique set of features that can be used in various situations. With KeyX, you can not only control and open your car, but also access universal remote features. It enables you to open your garage, access NFC or ID card secured gates, and even remotely open your vehicle as you approach it. The KeyX Smart Car Key and Universal Remote is equipped with 7 antennas and 5 radio module chips built in. It integrates almost all radio frequencies used for remote control, allowing you to communicate, learn, and store all radio frequencies in one place. This way, you can combine your garage door remotes, ID cards, HID cards, NFC cards, and all other infrared remote controls into one convenient, compact controller. If you're facing a clogged sewer pipe, worry not. There's a highly effective solution available: sewer jet nozzles. These nozzles are specifically designed to remove soft sewer blockages such as grease, fine sand, hair, fine gravel, and general waste blockages by cleaning and flushing water pipes. Reverse airflow nozzles are highly efficient. They consist of a front nozzle, angled at 1/0 degrees, which effectively removes blockages and stubborn dirt, along with 6 rear nozzles angled at 30 degrees, flushing out loose debris and assisting in cleaning from the front nozzle. The nozzle is constructed from corrosion-resistant stainless steel, ensuring it is both durable and long-lasting. Here is a perfect solution: hot car seat during the scorching summer days. A car seat cushion that cools down quickly. It has a semiconductor chilling plate built inside the water tank, which regulates the cooling temperature of the seat cushion based on the temperature inside the car. This feature is very convenient for users. The cooling process is fast and takes only 30 seconds to reach a comfortable temperature. Moreover, the semiconductor chilling plate can not only cool the cushion, but also maintain the temperature at the target level. BlueLed is redefining the carry-on suitcase industry with its unique design and motorized technology. It combines remote control, lightweight build, and dual USB charging ports with the practicality of a standard carry-on. Reaching a maximum speed of 13 kilometers per hour, BlueLed is efficient, functional, and fun. Forget lugging your luggage around endless airport terminals. Now, you can drive this remote-controlled smart suitcase horizontally or vertically as you walk or even run with it. With its accurate and discreet joystick, you can easily maneuver around obstacles and through crowds of people, all while keeping your belongings within view. Kendall Turner and Alexander Ordonez designed the A1R-powered outdoor gear to be a versatile tool for adventurers and explorers who want to be prepared for anything during their trips into the wilderness. The device's main feature is the A1R module, which provides essential power to the user. It can be recharged by air pressure, accomplished by pumping it up. The module has multiple functions, including navigation, water purification, and an emergency beacon. This device is perfect for explorers who want to stay agile and well-equipped when hiking, camping, or traveling in unexplored natural environments for extended periods. It offers all of the must-have features that adventurers need. How many of us listen to music while taking a shower? The Ampere shower power speaker is a waterproof Bluetooth speaker specially designed for shower use. It has an IPX7 rating, which means it can withstand being fully submerged in water for up to 30 minutes. This makes it a perfect choice for those who enjoy listening to music while they shower. The speaker delivers crisp and clear audio, has a long-lasting battery life, and comes with a suction cup mount for easy placement in the shower. Whether you prefer pop, rock, or podcasts, this shower speaker allows you to enjoy your favorite tunes in the comfort of your bathroom.